Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Verma and I am a part of Lexis and Company as a legal intern. Today I am going to talk about on a topic pledge and difference between pledge and bailment under Indian Contract Act. Now let's see what is pledge. Pledge is pledge basically is kind of a bailment and which is defined under section 172 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. By pledge, we means bailment of good as a security for the repayment of debt or advance loan advance or performance of an obligation or promise. The person who pledges the good as security is known as pledger or pawner, and the person in whose favor the goods are pledged is known as pledgee or pawnee. Now let's see what can be pledged. Any movable item such as assets, documents, valuable receipt of fixed deposit account or saving account and securities can be deposited with the moneylender or promisee as collateral against the repayment of loan or fulfillment of the obligation. There must be actual or constructive delivery of the goods to be pledged. For example, A is in urgent need of money, so he deposited his gold watch to B as a security of money lent. This is the case of pledge whereby the gold watch is billed as security for the money lent, and here A is the pawner and B is the pawnee. Now let's see. So here there are two parties, namely pawner and pawnee. Pawner is a person who pledges the good as security, and pawnee is the person in whose favor the goods are pledged. Now let's see the difference between bailment and pledge. Number one difference is a bailment is a contract in which goods are transferred from one party to another party for a short period of time for a specific purpose or objective, whereas in the case of pledge, which is kind whereas the pledge is a kind of bailment in which goods are pledged as the security against payment of debt. So in case of bailment, the property has been transferred for only for a specific purpose, but in case of pledge, the goods are transferred or deposited to the another party as a security against the payment of loan. In case of bailment, another difference is in case of bailment the consideration may or may not be present, but in case of pledge the consideration is always present. So consideration in case of bailment is totally depend upon the contractual terms, but without consideration there will be no contract of pledge. Next difference is the object of bailment is safe custody or repairing of goods delivered. On the other hand, in case of pledge, the sole purpose of delivering the good is to act as a security against the debt. Next difference is in case of bailment, the receiver has no right to sell the good, but in case of pledge, if the pawner does not redeem the good within the reasonable time, the pawnee can sell the good after giving notice to him. That is, in case of pledge especially, the pawnee has right to sell the goods if the pawner, that is the person who gives the good as a security, fails to repay the loan then pawnee has a right to sell the goods while after giving notice to the pawner. And last difference is in case of bailment, the goods are used by the bailee only for the said purpose or specific purpose, but in pledge, pawnee has no right to use the goods. I hope you like the video. Thank you.